the first and last terms of AP are 1 and 121 respectively. 1. Find the number of terms in the AP. 2. The common difference between them if the sum of its terms is 1281. Solution. So the first thing we need to do is to list out the parameters from the question. Now from the question, from our figure 1, we're given Sn to be equal to what? 1281. We don't know the value of n. Also the first and the last terms. The first term is A. The last term is what? That is L. So it means that A equals to what? A is 1 and L equals to what? 121. Now we want to find N. I'll put question mark. Which of the formulas are we using? That means we are going to use the first formula because that is the formula that is connecting N, Xn, and L together. So in this case, Xn equals to what? N over 2 into A plus L. That is the first formula. So what is Xn from here? 1281 equals to N over 2 into what? A plus L. A is what? 1. And what is L? 121. So in this case, we need to simplify further. This is 1281 equals to N over 2 into 1 plus 121. That will give us 122. So in this case, 2 here 1, 2 here will give us 61. So that's 61. So it means that 61 times n is 61n equals to 1281. So the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by 61. So we have 61n divided by 61 equals to 1281 divided by 61. 61 here 1, 61 here 1. So n equals to what? The value of n equals to 21. Because 21 times 61 will give us 1281. So we have solved Roman figure 1. So the next thing we need to do is to solve Roman figure 2. For the second part of the question, we asked to find the common difference between them. Since we have our last term, and we know that last term equals to what? A plus n minus 1d. Then we can get our common difference from here. The last term from the question is 121. Then equals to A, which is 1, then plus what is n? The value of n is 21. So we have 21 minus 1 into bracket d. Now from here we have 121 equals to 1 plus 21 minus 1, that is 20. So we have 20d here. By collecting the like terms, so we have 121 minus 1 when this one moves to the left. So equals to 20d. So in this case, 121 minus 1 will give us 120. So we have 120 equals to 20d. What is the next thing to do? The next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by 20 because we want to find d. So dividing both sides by 20, what are we going to have? So in this case, we have the value of 120 divided by 20, we have 6. So this will give us 20 here 1, 20 here 1. So this gives us D. So in this case, D equals to 6. So we can now conclude that the common difference equals to 6. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.